Hey guys, welcome to another showcase video, and this is going to be a showcase of the Butterfly World ArchViz Interior Apartment Volume 1. Now, the company behind this do a fair few other sort of architectural visualization things for the Unity Asset Store, but I have a really big interest in lighting and things like that when it comes to game development, and I find all of these things really interesting. I think these guys, among a few other examples, do a really good job in creating some really awesome ArchViz style projects, and it can go a long way to show you how to set up the scene, do the lighting and look at the models. So we're going to look at one of their things today, and be sure to check out all their content on the Unity Asset Store if you are interested. So you can see the scene here, and I've imported it into Unity 2017.3, and this package uses the Processing Stack version 2, so it comes with all the modern features that you would see in more recent versions of Unity. It comes with the baked lighting. It comes with a whole bunch, an array of settings, and it comes with over 20 PBR models, some with other variations of the same one, but it's a nice little scene just to get you started, and it's a nice little realistic looking apartment with the effects and camera motions in between. And I'll just play this scene, and like I always say about any of these scenes that you ever look into, whether you purchase it or look into something like this, it's a really awesome way to get a whole host of very high quality looking PBR models, all with a very low poly, and all with a really nice style, or whether it's a way to look at the lighting that's set up in the scene, whether you look for how they've set up the lights, how they've done the materials, the reflection probes, or they've done the post-processing with the bloom and whatnot, which is featured all out of the box, everything that you can access within Unity 2017 and above. And this is just one of those examples of a really nice looking, fairly small apartment with some assets around here. And as I do say that, they've got a whole host of other ones which you can check out, but this is just a nice little apartment with a few assets, chairs, and components that you could use in other games, other projects that you choose to use, and it just shows what quality you can produce in Unity just when you've got a little bit of talent with making the models and having a bit of knowledge when it comes to lighting. So be sure to look at the Unity Asset Store at Butterfly World, because they do have a bunch of architectural visualization sort of projects that you can look at, and they do have a few more coming to the Asset Store which are really quite cool, so be sure to check out them if you're really interested in this. So thanks again for watching, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.